Welcome to this new month meditation, brought to you by Luna London. In this meditation, we will focus on setting intentions and resetting to start the month with a fresh and positive outlook. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Allow your breath to be slow and steady, and feel yourself begin to relax with each exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply, take a moment to reflect on the past month. What went well? What didn't go so well? What would you like to improve upon in the coming month? Allow these thoughts to surface without judgment, and simply observe them as they arise. Now, let's focus on setting our intentions for the new month. What do you want to achieve or experience in the coming weeks? What actions can you take to make these intentions a reality? Take a moment to visualize yourself accomplishing your goals and living your best life. As you hold these intentions in your mind, repeat the following affirmations to yourself. I am capable of achieving all that I desire. I am capable of achieving all that I desire. I am worthy of abundance and success. I am capable of achieving all that I desire. I am grateful for all that I have and all that is yet to come. I am grateful for all that I have and all that is yet to come. Now, let's focus on resetting and letting go of any negative energy from the past month. Imagine a bright light shining down on you, and allow it to wash away any stress, anxiety, or negativity you may be holding onto. Release any thoughts or feelings that are no longer serving you, and feel yourself becoming lighter and more at peace. As you move into the new month, remember that you have the power to create the life you desire. You are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Take a moment to visualize yourself as the best version of yourself, and feel that energy radiating throughout your body. Now, let's take a few moments to focus on gratitude. What are you grateful for in your life? Take a moment to reflect on the people, experiences, and blessings in your life that bring you joy and fulfillment. Allow yourself to feel that gratitude in your heart and throughout your body. As we bring this meditation to a close, take one more deep breath in and exhale slowly. Know that you have the power to create the life you desire, and that each new month is an opportunity for growth and transformation. Thank you for joining us for this meditation, brought to you by Luna London. If you found this meditation helpful, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more powerful meditations and positive affirmations. As you go throughout your day, remember to hold on to the intention and positivity that we cultivated in this meditation. May you have a blessed and abundant month ahead. Until next time, take care.